Welcome back everyone. In this video, you'll see a really cool technique using a white epoxy base. It's very simple and easy to do. Check it out.
All right, so here's board 2. Again, pigmented white base. A little carried away there. We're probably gonna add some of this to that other board. Dump some of this off here. Okay, so on this one, we're gonna be doing black spray paint. And we're gonna spray it into a container. So cover the rag, spray it in there, because all we want is a liquid form. We don't want to spray this, we want the liquid form. And holding the rag over there keeps it from blowing out everywhere. You see it catches all the stuff blowing. So now we got liquid spray paint, pretty cool. So I'll take a tongue depressor, just get some on my tongue depressor, and we're gonna create some veins. Now we're gonna just spritz this with clear.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see other cool techniques and looks using a white epoxy base, check out these videos. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, click that bell button so you don't miss any of our awesome projects. We'll see you guys next time.